Hello, good morning. Aro ekbar sobke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kuri ase. Notun thakile update miss na kurubole subscribe kuri div koina koi dia ase. Aji phujor la first update te ase NBCC2 Clean Election Movement tungsang te launch kuri loise. Khobor hisab tu Nagaland Baptist Church Council to Clean Election Movement to tungsang te launch kuri loise. Program tu Chang Baptist Langsang Tangyang Bra CBLT Conference Hall tungsang te My Vote My Future them logina Rakilwa report pa ase. Occasion te Deputy Commissioner aro DEO Kumar Ramnikan state kuri dise clean election role to based on clean election process ase koina. Aro moikhan bra itu manipulate kuri se koile right to pikai digena tate pra sob sur hoi ja kwa ase. Itu karni democratic setup hesab te leader khan tu manu bra choose kurbo aro tate proxy no hole pi voters aro e role to sapa hobole koi thakise. Ramnikan tu public khan ke complain kuri thaka tu stop kurubole ko ase kile chance no ane koina. Instead nijor ke complain kuri kile itu leader uthai dise koina kobole lake itu karni clean election sobra support kurubole encourage kuri dise. Presidency KS aro district assistant election officer tungsang pi sob ke encourage kuri proxy vote to practices chargena authorities khan ke cooperate kuri e role to sapa bra election to thakibole khobor te ko asap share kuri de ase. Next as Mizoram Chief Minister Zoramthang statement te Government of Mizoram to 20 lakh sanction to hockey star Larry Mesami ke diena aro 25 lakh reward kuri dise Tokyo Olympic te participate kuran mite. Aro Chief Minister to hockey star player ke sarkar kam diena gor banawle mati to tala hometown te dibole announce kuri dise. Next as Dimapur Deputy Commissioner Surandara Rajan IS bra Yellow Chain Outlet Dimapur te launch kuri dise. Itu Yellow Chain to platform aro entrepreneurs, service provider, seller aro business nimite ase. Aro itu platform to economic activity state te itu COVID-19 pandemic te promote kurubole khobor pa ase. Khobor te itu Yellow Chain Outlet Dimapur purpose to sob te linkage kuri goods aro service to transaction kurubole pi koi thakise. Aro kun hole pi kam kurubole ready thakise koile startup to Yellow Chain te khulibole jona ase. Next as Director Soil and Water Conservation Department KJ Kheto Aumibra short program to Tala Chamber te kanda kuri updated version of Meteorological Department Nagaland 2019-20 Soil Survey and Land pra publish kura release kuri dise. Deputy Director and Schematic Officer program te kwa sub to department to Itia 17 Meteorological Station state te spread kuri lose aro first installed to 1981 bra sur kur last statement te koi thakise. Dada hos eklan hoi hulipi alag project formulation, constructive activities, preparation plan, natural calamities, disaster khan nimite, hotai researchers whole India te, scientists, engineers, land water department khan bra, cholai thakya pi et kurda khobor te update kuri dia ase. Next as NTA JEE exam result July 2022, 25 aro 27 te digena thaka declare kuri dise aro ita tu answers ki download kurubole parbo. Itubar to 7,09,519 candidate pra JEE exam appear kurlose aro National Testing Agency to result declare kuri dise. Result to jeeemen.nta.nic.in website te thakibo candidate to link te click kuri gena application number te check kuri future reference karni download kurubole ko ase. Next update te ase Jaipur district of Rajasthan te youth ekjon bluetooth headphone device cholai thaka tamte phuti ja nimite murishe koina khobor pa ase. Murija youth to Rakesh Nagar Jaipur area laga ase tai tu wireless device cholai na manuke kotha kura tamte headphone tu phuti jase. Aro tuita kan pi jokhumha nimite treatment loi thakse hulepi bacha bole napara ko ase. Doctor statement te Rakesh tu itu incident nimite probability cardiac arrest ho jase kile tai tu bluetooth earphone device phuta karni gir jase koina statement kura ase. Tu ki la saman hulepi access used to bal nai itu karni mokhan sobra hotai hosher kuri safety measures tu thakibole khobor te add kuri dia ase. Next as Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh ko ase naga solution to joldi expect kura ase koina. Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh media te koi dise state assembly election to 1 month ase aro Manipur state te tribal area dominate kuri thaka naga community khan to expect kura ase joldi solution anibole nimite. Manipur te recently National Socialist Council of Nagaland Isak Moiva fraction bra Naga dominated area of Manipur te thakya tu disturb hoi jaise kwa ase. Sing statement te taikhan tu amicable solution expect kura ase. Ita NSN aro central tu kota kura ase solution tu expect kuri itubra election tu effect na thakibole statement release kuri dise. Mizoram Chief Secretary statement te travel advisory Assam government pra July 29 te issue kuri da tu withdraw hoi jaise hole pi bodo road blockage tu ita tak sur hwa nai. Itu karni itu issue tu hatai gena traffic movement tu joldi sur kurbole biswas ase kuina Mizoram Chief Secretary ko ase. Tu Assam Chief Minister ko ase chamla bishi fesla nokra ase kuina aro minister pi ko ase tai tu sure ase right time te Mizoram Chief Minister loina itu issue khan tu kotha kurbole et kura ase. Aro Nagaland Times News pujor la yati bare khotom kura ase.